Well, it's the morning after the storm. Won't be the last one. It's been the strongest one so far that I've been in South Dakota. So the camper stood up all right. I wasn't in the camper while the wind was going, but I'm sure it was pretty bad. I'm a little naive, but I was expecting to see it tipped over when I got back last night. The power was out. I contemplated not staying here, but I did have my battery pack, so I was able to get one of those little Arctic air blowers with some ice water, and that worked out pretty well. Power came back on about 1:30, so air conditioner came back on, so that was cool. It was like 80% humidity. So let's go outside and survey the damage. Not too bad. We will rebuild. Fucking $70 canopy. It just looks messy. Some twisted metal. I'm just glad the mini fridge is held up. My inversion table too. Oh, Betty. Good old Betty. And Kermit. Kermit was rocking last night. What is this? We got shit all over the place. I'm actually kind of surprised that this thing stayed intact. Looks like she got stretched out a bit. That sunshade has come in handy. Tell you what. Alright, well. Well, there we go.